Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Yarin. I am a growth expert helping startup companies grow and tackle their growth challenges. Today, I wanted to do a quick video discussing this framework for a drip campaign of a product onboarding. Now, this is a framework and a technique that had worked for incredible companies like Dropbox and Notion, and plenty of other startups are using it because it just works. It's super simple, yet so many companies, for some reason, are missing out on this. So let's get started, and you better take your pen out and start writing. All right, so we previously talked about everything email marketing and activation emails, and basically talking about how to get users from activating your product to actually using your product to actually paying and being a paid customer of your product. In between these two ends, there is a lot of room for you as a marketeer to sort of influence and basically move the needle and get your users to conduct certain actions. Now, one of the best ways to do that is through email marketing and through this simple yet overlooked onboarding email series. If this technique is implemented and being done methodically, this can easily achieve anywhere between 40 to 60% open rate and lead to some incredible lifts that ultimately feeds your marketing machine, meaning a repeated user turned customer. We're talking about a single and even double digit uplifts. Okay, so basically, what are we talking about? Well, we are talking about an onboarding series that essentially shares a feature a day for the first 7 to 13 days upon signing up to the product. Now, why is this gonna work? Because you're essentially in a very easy and transparent way conveying the value proposition of your product to your users. And you're doing it slowly and iteratively. So let's just dive in with a few quick examples. Now we're looking at what Notion does. This is their onboarding email. And basically they're sharing it in a very easy and simple way. They're basically saying, hey there, welcome. Over the next few days, we are going to share tips on how to make the most out of Notion. So this email really easily and transparently sets the expectations of how many emails you receive. Why? Because they're using the 1 out of 7, day 1 out of 7, and saying over the next 7 days, we are going to be sharing features and how to make the most out of Notion. In terms of the content type, it is very descriptive and visual. Now, we can go on and on about different features that they're essentially dripping every day, but the key here is sharing features in an easy to use, transparent manner with clear value props, clear CTA back to the product, and have it extremely easy to share and invite your teammates. Okay, so the next example is a tool I just signed up for called Perplexities. This is basically an AI platform rivaling ChatGPT. And upon registering, I basically got this email that says try out these new features 2 out of 7. So every day for the next 7 days, they are going to basically sending me emails highlighting how I can make the most out of their platform. Looking at it, we have hello again. These are the features that you've unlocked access, blah, blah, blah. Let's work through them. Save and organize your searches with an image. Again, pro titles, text, image, nice usage of GIF here. This is a great email as an example, and that you can expect some great open rates and click-through rates. So I recently actually implemented this with a client of mine, and I can really attest that this basically framework really achieves an incredibly high open rate, click-through rate, and activation rate. The key point here really is basically to expose as much features as you can that deliver value to your end users, doing in a quick, easy, and simple way over email. Use as much visual elements as you can, have it as personalized as you can with a name from somebody from your company, meaning Yarin from product X, not just a generic email from the company, and do it consistently. This, if done right and if done methodically and iteratively, should achieve an incredible 40 to 60% open rate and some incredible rate of click-through rate, activations, and will get your users to these aha moments, magic moments, that they will discover why your product makes sense and the value it delivers. That's it for this video. If you like my content, if you enjoy this, subscribe, like, and share my videos. And also, if you're a startup company, if you're a startup founder and have a growth challenge that seems to be really challenging and difficult, ping me, let's chat, and let's grow your pipeline. See ya.